Here are the 4 best glue for rubber to rubber. So let's go. Number 1. Most popular, Gorilla 2-part Epoxy. Gorilla 2-part Epoxy is useful for repair jobs that require forming a durable bond as well as filling gaps and creating resistance to solvents. The applicator syringe facilitates a neat process, and the 5-minute setup time allows for repositioning the surfaces. Use this 2-part epoxy to adhere to difficult to bond rubber and plastic substrates. These include polypropylene, polyethylene, rubbers, and plastics. After application, the epoxy dries to clear, non-stick finish, and it forms a strong and durable bond that is waterproof and solvent resistant. Number 3. Loctite 2436364 Ultra Gel Control Super. Here's another super glue that contains the acrylic monochrome cyanoacrylate. Because of its gel formulation, the Loctite Ultra Gel Glue offers the average of greater control and less mess on the job. Additionally, Loctite's patented side squeeze design provides precision application and airtight storage. Use this super glue for rubber, plastics, metal, ceramics, wood, paper, and leather. It sets up in only 1 minute and cures in 24 hours. Because its no-drip formulation, Loctite Ultra Gel Glue is ideal for applications on vertical surfaces. There is no need to clamp the objects that are bonded with this super glue. Number 3. Weld 31310 All-Purpose RTV. This silicone-based adhesive from Weld forms a strong, waterproof, and weather-resistant bond. It is room temperature vulcanized, therefore the silicone begins curing as soon as it's exposed to air and moisture. It sets up in 1 hour and cures in 24 hours. After curing, the silicone adhesive is flexible and resistant to high temperatures. Weld silicone adhesive is useful for a variety of purposes, including automotive repairs and jobs around the home. This adhesive works with ceramic, glass, carpet, bathtubs, showers, and rubber substrates. Number 4. 3M Scotch-Weld Plastic and Rubber. The 3M Scotch-Weld adhesive forms strong and durable bonds between plastic and rubber surfaces. After 15 seconds, the item is safe to handle and the adhesive cures in 24 hours to a clear finish. With low viscosity, this glue flows neatly from the applicator bottle. 3M company designed the glue container for precise application to eliminate messes. Users can pinch the container lightly for a precise drop of glue or squeeze for a bead of glue that covers a large area. This adhesive is a go-to favorite for gluing materials with smooth, non-porous surfaces.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.